Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because too many redirects occurred. So guys, if you're trying to go to some websites on Safari browser but you're facing this issue on your Safari browser in your iPhone or iPad, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the too many redirects error in Safari on iPhone or iPad is commonly caused by corrupted cookies, cached data, or conflicts with intelligent tracking prevention. The most effective solutions involve clearing Safari's cache in settings, disabling prevent cross-site tracking, or toggling off active content blockers for a step-by-step guide, or toggling off active content blockers. So guys, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then go to apps and then scroll it below and go to Safari. Here it is, and from here scroll it below and from here turn off the toggle for prevent cross-site tracking, and after this you have to scroll it below and from here you have to simply clear history and website data of your Safari browser for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply go to advanced from here, and from here you have to go to block all cookies option, and then you have to simply turn it off. If it is on, you have to simply turn it off, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple devices as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.